Yes. Hi everyone. So now let us we discuss about maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem. Yeah, the theorem name itself indicates that it belongs to maximum power. So which has to be transferred. Maximum power transfer. Where the maximum power has to be transferred. The maximum power transfer indicates the power which is maximum, which is transferred from source to load. So which is source, which is load. Suppose for example, this is one network, and here in this network I have the load resistance RL, and here the condition to apply the maximum power transfer theorem is this RL must be variable. Now how I apply the maximum power transfer theorem? Before applying the maximum power transfer theorem, I must transform this network to the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, that is single voltage source connected in series with single resistance across the load, like this. Now here we used to take, this is source voltage, that is Thevenin's voltage is source voltage, Thevenin's resistance is source resistance, and load resistance as usual RL. Yes, now the maximum power transferred from Vs to RL when this RL is equal to Rs. This is the statement of the maximum power transfer theorem. Yes, what is maximum power transfer theorem statement? The maximum power can be transferred from source to load when the load resistance is equal to source resistance. Let us check whether it is true or not. So first we take the same example, same network. Here let it be Is is the source current and IL is the load current, or I0 is the load current. So V0 is voltage across the load, like this. V0 is voltage across the load, RL is variable resistor, and IL is the load current, IS is the source current. And you can observe that as RS and RL both are connected in series, hence you can say IS is equal to IL. So now how much power we are giving as the input, that is power input is equal to Vs into Is. Vs into Is. Yes. Next, or we can also write Vs into IL. Now as this is single network, single loop network, what is the value of Is? Is is equal to IL is equal to how much this value? Yes, this is equal to Vs by Rs plus RL. Okay. Next, now what is output power? P out. Yes, P out is equal to V0 into IL, or you can also write V0 into Vs by Rs plus RL. Yes, now we don't know what is the value of V0. What is V0? If you apply the voltage dividing rule here, you can write expression for V0 as the voltage across any branch when the two resistors are connected in series is equal to total voltage into same resistance divided by sum of the resistance, that is Vs into RL by Rs plus RL. So hence what is output power? P out is equal to Vs in divided by Vs into RL by Rs plus RL. This value indicates V0. Next, this is as usual Vs by Rs plus RL. Now you can rewrite this equation as Vs square into RL by Rs plus RL whole square. Now in this equation, that is P out is equal to this value. In this equation, which is variable? The variable value is RL. So therefore, when this quantity is maximum, in the sense whenever we partially differentiate this quantity with respect to the variable one and equal to 0, we obtain one condition. At that condition only this value is maximum. So that means the output power is maximum. When output power is maximum? When the partial differentiation divided by RL is equal to 0, we obtain one condition. Yes. Now we partially differentiate this value. This is U by V formula. Let us we apply U by V formula. Vs square is constant. Yes, let it be RL into 2 into RS plus RL minus RS plus RL whole square into Vs square into 1 divided by RS plus RL whole square. This is equal to 0. Obviously, if we move this to that side, this will be 0 and Vs square is also get cancelled. Then what is the remaining thing? RL into 2 into RS plus RL is equal to RS plus RL whole square. This will get cancelled. Hence 2RL is equal to RS plus RL. So hence RL is equal to RS. That means this is the condition we obtain. What is that? The output power is maximum when load resistance is equal to source resistance. At this condition, what is the value of output power? That is, maximum power is given by P max is equal to Vs square into Rs by 2Rs whole square. Or you can also write Vs square by 4Rs square. 4Rs, sorry. That is, maximum power is given by P max is equal to Vs square by 4Rs. Okay. This is how we can prove the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay. Statement and proof of the maximum power transfer. So now let us see, it is okay, but we cannot apply the maximum power transfer theorem to the all system. What is the reason behind that? Let us continue in the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching this.